Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding Bar Back. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss. We are going to explore the meaning of the phrase, bar back. Now, you might be wondering, what does this phrase mean? And how can it be used in a sentence? Well, you are in the right place, as we are about to dive deep into the world of bars, restaurants, and the role of a bar back. Bar back is a compound noun, which means it is made up of two words that come together to create a specific meaning. The word, bar, refers to a place where alcoholic drinks are served, while the word, back, in this context implies a position or role that supports or assists. When combined, the phrase, bar back, refers to a person who works in a bar, providing essential support to the bartenders. So, what exactly does a bar back do? A bar back is crucial in keeping the bar running smoothly. They are responsible for tasks such as restocking the bar with liquor, beer, glasses, and other necessary supplies. They might also assist in cleaning the bar area, preparing garnishes for drinks, and sometimes even helping bartenders with simpler drink preparations. Essentially, they are the behind-the-scenes heroes ensuring that bartenders have everything they need to serve customers efficiently. Now, let's look at how we can use the phrase, bar back, in sentences. 1. Jake just got a job as a bar back at the new nightclub downtown. 2. During busy nights, the bar back plays a crucial role in helping things run smoothly. 3. If you're looking to break into the bartending world, starting as a bar back might be a great option. In all these examples, the phrase, bar back, is used to refer to the position of someone assisting in the bar area. And there you have it, folks. We've uncovered the meaning behind the phrase, bar back, and explored the vital role they play in the bustling world of bars and restaurants. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you now have a better understanding of this phrase. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about, feel free to drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.